Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to help you out with how to turn off comments on Facebook post. For that, launch your Facebook mobile application and then tap on your profile icon. Now once you are on your profile page, you just have to simply scroll down and select that particular post on which you want to turn off the comments. Let's say this is my post, and here you need to tap on the three dots right next to the top of that particular post. Now here you will be able to see the fourth option of who can comment on your post. So tap on it, and as you can see that in my post it is set on public, but in order to turn it off you just have to simply set it on profile and pages you mention, or you can even see the none option. So you can choose the settings as per your convenience. If you want to show it to your friends only, then you can select friends. If you want to show it to your friends and established followers, you can select the second option. But if you don't want to show it to anyone, then you can select the fifth option, and you can also be able to see the none option as well. So once you have selected it, you just have to press done, and this way you can turn off comments on Facebook post. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.